Too much to do? Too little time? Feeling overwhelmed by deadlines, meetings, and endless to-do lists? You're not alone. But here's the good news. You can take control of your time. Let's start with 3 simple but powerful hacks. First, prioritize. Not all tasks are equal. Identify what's urgent and important, then focus on those first. Second, time blocking. Assign specific time slots for tasks instead of multitasking. Third, avoid distractions. Turn off unnecessary notifications, set boundaries, and create a workspace that helps you stay focused. By using these time management hacks, you'll feel less stressed, get more done, and even have time to enjoy life. Remember, time is your greatest asset. Control your time, and you control your life. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Drop a top in the comments if you're ready to take control of your time.